surface of the liver is related to the ribs, lower 6 ribs and their respective muscles. And then the anterior surface is divided into left lobe and the right lobe by the presence of the falciform ligament. Then coming to the lateral surface, it has right lateral surface. The right lateral surface is divided into 3 parts and it is related to 7th to the 11th ribs. The upper part is related to the lung, pleura and the diaphragm. The middle part is related to the lung, not the lung, pleura and the diaphragm. The lower part is related only to the diaphragm. Then coming to the superior surface, the superior surface is related to the 2 lungs, that is the right lung, left lung and the impression of the heart in the center. And then that is the superior surface. Then posterior surface. The posterior surface is related to, the posterior surface has the bare area. The bare area of the liver is bounded by the various ligaments. Superiorly there is the superior coronary ligament and then inferiorly there is the inferior coronary ligament. Both of them meet at the right to form the right triangular ligament. And then there is the left triangular ligament. And then there is the falciform ligament as I showed. And then there's another ligament. Ligamentum teres, that is true ligament. That is ligamentum venosum. And then there's ligamentum teres hepatis. Lower portion of the falciform ligament is thickened to form the ligamentum teres hepatis. And then there is the lesser sac is also related to the J-shaped impression. And then porta hepatis. The structures coming out of the porta hepatis are the portal vein, which is present posteriorly, hepatic artery that is present towards the left, and the bile duct that is present, hepatic duct, which is present towards the right. And then, in the posterior surface, there is a bare area of the liver. And then, after the posterior surface of bare area of the liver, there is the inferior vena cava, relation of the inferior vena cava, and then caudate lobe. Caudate lobe has 2 processes, papillary process directed towards the left and the caudate process directed towards the right. And then there is the fissure for the ligamentum venosum and the posterior surface of the left lobe of the liver. This posterior surface is related to the esophagus and a little part of the fundus of the stomach. Then coming to the visceral surface, the posterior surface of the that is posterior surface. The visceral surface of the left lobe is related to the gastric impression till the fossa for the gallbladder. Body first and the fundus. There is a body, pylorus. And then this is the fossa for the gallbladder. Beside the fossa for the gallbladder is the duodenal impression. And this is the colic impression. And then superior to the colic impression is the renal impression. And then is the suprarenal impression related just beside the inferior vena cava.